Naghahanap ka ba ng house and lot na outside Metro Manila, pero very accessible going to Manila? Tara, may ipapakita ako sa'yo. Today, nandito tayo sa Privado Homes, Binyan City para i-feature ang ating Chesa model with lot area of 108.48 square meter and has a floor area of 106.69 square meter with 3 bedrooms, 2 toilet and bath, 2 car garage, walk-in closet, and of course meron tayong free aircon sa ating master's bedroom. At the same time, yung mga cabinets or built-in cabinets natin ay included na rin upon turnover. And another good thing, yung drop ceiling natin is included na rin upon turnover. So tara, pasukin na natin. Now, ang model unit na papasukin natin or i-share ko is the Chesa model dito sa Privado Homes, Binyan City. So, ito po yung ating facade ng unit. Then, kung mapapansin nyo, it's an end. Meron po tayo ditong wall. Ayan. Then, on this side, we have our parking. So, upon turnover, naka-concrete na po siya. Then, on this side naman, ito po yung facade. Then, ito po yung provision for garden. Then, pasok tayo. So, bago tayo pumasok guys, kung mapapansin nyo, sliding window. Then, dito meron tayong door panel made of wood. So, tara, pasok po tayo. Upon entering dito sa Chesa model natin, kung mapapansin nyo is, ito yung ating living area. So, sa living area, we can enjoy this place na mag-bonding ang ating family, and at the same time, kung gusto mo mag-relax, manood ng TV, so pwedeng-pwede, and kung ayaw mo manood ng TV, so pwede tayong magbasa-basa, diba? So it's a good place para mag-bonding, mag-relax, and kung gusto mo ng me time, kung ikaw yung nagsasolo dito sa bahay, so very applicable siya. Then, dito sa living area, kung mapapansin nyo, so ito yung curtain natin and well lighted siya. Kasi we have 4 na sliding window na made of aluminum and clear glass. On this side naman, we have our sliding door na accessible for our lanai and parking. So later, papakita natin kung ano pa yung pwede natin makita dyan sa labas natin. Okay? And on this side naman, so we have our area for refrigerator. So wherein, kung makikita nyo dito, yung refrigerator natin is, ang laki niya. So we have 2 door na refrigerator. So very ideal kung ganito rin yung ilalagay nyo. Since napakaganda ng unit, and yung kitchen natin, ito naka-slab granite siya. Then we have our hanging cabinets, nakasama na rin siya upon turnover. So ayan. So, good thing dito sa cabinet natin, naka-soft close na siya. So, pag sinara natin, hindi siya basta lalagabog or magme-make ng sound. Then, at the same time, included na rin ang ating base cabinet na same thing, naka-soft close din siya. Yan. So, dito, again, sa kitchen natin, naka-slab granite with stainless sink. Yan. Then, pagka-prepare ng food ni Mami dito sa ating kitchen, and pagkaluto, ito yung area natin sa ating pagluluto. So, it's now ready to serve yung food natin. Dito sa area or sa 6-seater na dining area natin. So, yun yung good thing dito. So, kung mapapansin nyo, sa lahat ng na-shoot ko, so isa to sa mga townhouse na napakaluwag. So, napakaluwag ng floor area niya, wherein may enjoy ng ating family. Then, on this side, So may window pa rin tayo. Then on this door, so ito po yung ating door for service area. Then ito naman yung ating first toilet and bath. So very modern ng ating sink. Then yung walls natin naka-tiles na siya from flooring up to the ceiling, and at the same time naka-tiles na rin yung ating floor. Then on this side, ito naman yung ating toilet. Then ito yung ating shower area. So sa shower area po, hindi po included yung glass enclosure natin. So tara, kita tayo sa taas. We're done on the first floor. So sana nagustuhan po nila yung living area and yung ating dining, kitchen, at the same time yung toilet and bath natin. So tingnan naman natin kung ano yung makikita natin sa second floor. Tara! So dito naka-wood tayo na handrails with metal. Then yung mga stairs natin is naka-vinyl siya. Ayan, nandito na tayo sa second floor, wherein you're going to see how many bedrooms meron tayo dito sa second floor. We have 3 bedrooms, so tara, pasok tayo with the first bedroom. Ayan, yung first bedroom natin is nakalock siya. So tara, proceed tayo with our second bedroom. So this is our second bedroom. So hindi natin napasok yung isang bedroom, pero same lang naman siya ng size. So dito meron tayong single bed. Siguro pwede until up to double. So meron din tayo ditong sliding window wherein, ayan. So makikita nyo, laki pa rin ng sliding window natin. So napakaliwanag. So at the same time, meron din tayo ditong sliding window. So good thing, napakaliwanag pa rin niya. And kung want to feel the atmosphere outside, kung gaano kahangin. So, pwede natin siyang buksan. Then, dito naglagay sila ng study area para sa kids natin. Then, at the same time, we also have here built-in cabinet. Good thing sa lahat ng rooms dito is may built-in cabinet na siya. So, yun yung good thing dito kay Privado Homes. Ayan. On this bedroom, ito naman yung master's bedroom natin. Wherein, ayan, kung mapapansin nyo, napakaluwag. Meron tayong corner table, both side ng ating bed. At the same time, dito naglagay sila ng mga divider natin or mga shelf. Then dito, ayan, meron tayong kung work from home ka or gusto mo magbasa, so very ideal siya. Na ito yung place mo kung ayaw mong bumaba, or kung gusto mo lang dito sa master's bedroom mo. Ayan. So, dito yung mga shelf natin, you can put the family picture or some memorable picture na pwede mong paggising mo, bakit ka gumigising, so makikita mo na kagad siya. So, may inspire tayo. Then, on this side, ito naman yung place or ideal for our television. Then, ayun, as mentioned before, dito sa master's bedroom, meron tayong free aircon. On this side naman, ito pa rin yung sliding window natin. So, ayan, napakaliwanag. Kung mapapansin nyo, naka-curtain pa siya, pero halos tumagos yung liwanag. So, well ventilated. Hindi tayo nakabukas ng ilaw dito. So, ibig sabihin, maganda yung pasok ng liwanag. Yan. So, dito sa master's bedroom, good thing, meron tayong sariling toilet and bath. So, this is our toilet. This is our shower area. At the same time, guys, again, yung ating enclosure or yung glass enclosure natin is not included upon turnover. Okay? Para at least you can design kung gaano kalaki ba ang ilalagay mo na shower enclosure. Then, yung sink natin, yan, again, very modern. Then, on the other side, we have our walk-in closet wherein we have 3 shelf dito or 3 cabinets na magkakadikit. So, ayan. Wherein you can really organize your things Ayan. So, ayan po. So, kung medyo hindi pa enough for your family, etong walk-in closet natin, especially kay mommy or kay daddy, or kay wife and hubby. So, eto may enough space pa tayo wherein pwede kang maglagay dito. Then at the same time, yan, pwede ka rin maglagay ng makeup area para kay wifey. Di ba? Yun yung good thing dito. Tara, silipin naman natin yung labas. So, using your lanai, dito tayo. So, this is open ground wherein, yun, pwedeng i-convert mo into garden or you can put some table para, yun, kung gusto nyong mag-coffee ni hubby and wifey. So, very ideal. And at the same time, for future development, so you can maximize this space. Then, yeah, kung mapapansin nyo, yung walls natin on the ground floor is meron siyang accent na iba na yan, naka-tiles din siya or I'm not sure kung anong tawag dito but you can comment down kung ano man yung tawag natin dito. Then, tara, pasok tayo sa service area. Ayan, sa ating service area. Wherein, yeah, meron tayo ditong laundry area. Pinrepair na nila, meron tayo abang na faucet. Then ito, hindi lang siguro na ilagay pa dito, but still, this is good for our laundry area and if you want to extend, gusto mo maglagay ng dirty kitchen. So there's still enough space for your cooking. Ayan, nandito may outlet tayo dito. Then at the same time, kung ayaw mo na nasa loob yung gasol natin, so ayan, nakaabang na rin siya. So yun po. Is Chesa Homes perfect for your family? So if you want to see this personally, simply message me on my contacts, Viber and WhatsApp with the number of 0956-618-6967. Or you can also message me on my FB page, Bahay for One. Again, this is Jun Yambao, your registered real estate salesperson. Bye-bye!